Tracfone Hotspot not working? First, confirm your plan supports it. Not all Tracfone plans include hotspot functionality. Typically, only the unlimited data plans offer it, often with a data cap like 10 gigabytes. Starter or pay-as-you-go plans usually don't. Check your plan details in the Tracfone app or website. If hotspot isn't included, upgrading your plan is necessary. Also, ensure your device is compatible and Tracfone approved. Unlocked phones must be Tracfone compatible to use the hotspot feature. If your plan supports hotspot but it's still not working, check your access point name settings. The correct APN is crucial for data connections. For most US Tracfone users, the APN should be apn.tracfone. You can find all the settings in the web search data provided. Incorrect APN settings are a common cause of no internet errors. Lastly, consider TTL values. Tracfone's parent company, Verizon, uses TTL to detect unauthorized tethering. You can use an app like TTL Master to resolve this, but be aware that this is a workaround and may violate terms of service. Changing the APN settings requires a restart.